Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a landing page with System.io. So first step, you need to create an account. So I mentioned a link in the description that you need to click on and create your account. So once you create your account, it will look like this. And once you are here, you simply need to click on funnels. And here you need to click on create. And here you need to name your campaign. So I'm going to name it new ebook launch, new course launch. So it is up to you. And here you can change your funnel domain name. You can change it with the link shortener to make it shorter. So I want to build an audience, so you need to select this. And I want my currency, that is euro is best. Then you need to click on save. So now you can see that my funnel is created. Then you need to click here. And once you are here you can see an option to select the page that you want. So I am going to create a thank you page so that I can attract the people. So I am going to use this, for example, select this one and view funnel step. So let me open this. So this is the page, and once someone add his email or here, he need to click on subscribe, and once he click on that, he will receive a free gift that we are going to give him. So if you want, you can edit this page by clicking here, and an editor will be open, and all things are customizable. You can change anything that whatever you want to do, and once you complete that, you simply need to go back. So it is up to you how you want to customize. So let's suppose we design this, and once we design this, we are going to go on to the email and going to click on campaign, and here we need to create a campaign. Name is new course launch. So click on save, and now you can see that this campaign is added, and click on three dots, and now we are going to make a setting, and here we need to add the link of the thing that we want to share with our subscriber. So here is the ebook, and click on save. Once you done that, you simply need to come back onto the funnels, click on your funnel, go on to the automation rules, and click on add rule. So here you can see funnel step from subscribed. So once someone go on our page and subscribe to our newsletter or our thank you page, and he will receive our ebook that we want to give him as a free gift. So you simply need to click here, and here you can see that add action. So I want to subscribe to campaign and I want to give him the course. Here you can see that it is selected. So once someone come onto our page, and he will mention his email address here, once he complete that step and click on subscribe, then we in here you can see that new course, and then he will receive an email in which he will get free ebook from us. So this is the complete process how you can create a landing page with System.io. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.